Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute, but Halloween season has rolled around again, so I'm getting started on my Halloween looks. This is going to be my first one. I am going to do a ghost face mask with body paint. So if you want to see how I do that, please stay tuned. Alright, first I'm going to start off by priming my eyebrows. This is going to help conceal how my eyebrows look. If you have full-on eyebrows with hair and everything, because I don't, you can go ahead and glue your eyebrows down. There's plenty of videos on YouTube on how to do that. I'm also going to put on a layer of foundation as well. I'm not going to prime. I'm just going to put on a layer of foundation. I have moisturizer on and set it with some powder because that helps the body paint stick. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright, to get a jump on it, I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline with black so I don't have to do that later. Alright, so like that is good. As long as you get it all covered, it's good to go. It doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, now I'm going to create the ghost face shape with white body paint. Sorry if I'm like with white body paint, and the body paint that I'm using is from Mayron, and it's the Paradise Makeup AQ face and body makeup. You can use whatever you have. It doesn't have to be this. This is just the brand I have been using. I have tried other brands, perfectly fine, but this is just the ones that I have. So I have white and I have black. Those are the only two colors you are going to need for this tutorial, and you're going to need some black eyeshadow. That's it. Let's get started. I have a gnat flying around. It is bugging the hell out of me. You have no idea. I've been trying to kill this thing all day. Alright, so I actually went to Michael's to get some watercolor paintbrushes. I needed some new brushes. So I got a pack of a whole bunch, but I'm just going to get like a medium size. Dip it in some water and then dip it into that paint. You want a cup of water nearby. You are going to need it. Just going to map out how I want his face. It's not going to come all the way up to my hair. I'm going to be putting my hoodie on. And this would be a really easy costume where you don't have to actually go out and buy a mask. Just put on some body paint and a hoodie and call it a day. I'm trying to match it. Like he has kind of like an alien head. So it's like make it big and then it comes to like slim. So that's what I'm trying to do. Alright, once I got that shape down, I'm going to dip into black because I need to start outlining where I want the black detailing to be. Alright, for the eyes, it's going to be from right here. I probably should have used a smaller one. I want it to be like that. Are you kidding me? And I want him to be crying on one side. So I'm just going to make some fake tears. This is just a mapping out right now. I'm not going to fully do all the details right now. I just want everything mapped out so I'll be able to go around all the black areas with the white paint. Because if you try to put all the white paint down first and then try to go back over it with the black, it's going to turn your black body paint to gray. And I do not want that. It's just a struggle having to keep on going back over it over again when you can just kick it out the first time. His eye kind of looks like a bean, so that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to make it look like a bean. Just gonna fill this in for now. The area on the eyelid, I'm going to leave that blank because I'm going to put gel body paint. Gel eyeliner on that area. Only because if you put black body paint on your eyelid, your eyelid tends to crease and your body paint will crease with it, and I do not want that. So the whole area is going to be filled with black eyeliner, gel eyeliner. Good enough. Alright, I'm actually going to switch my brush because I feel like this one is way too large. Way too large. This one's better. So his nose is a heart upside down. So I'm just going to make a little heart upside down. And for the mouth, he has that open mouth that's bigger on the top and it goes smaller towards the bottom. So I'm going to try to map that up as best as I can. My lips are going to be black lipstick. Black body paint on your lips is very comfortable to wear throughout the day. On top of that, it will run like crazy if you try to drink something. So black liquid lipstick will be the best way to go, especially the ones that don't move. Alright, so now I'm just going to speed through filling all this in. Alright, so I went ahead, I filled in all the white, I went around all of the black detail that I added before, and I'm going to go back in with the black body paint and just fill in all the black except for the lips and the eyelids, because I'm going to use the lipstick and the gel eyeliner like I said before. Like that should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips and my eyelids. Alright, I'm just using some black gel eyeliner. It's black, right? Alright, with a small paintbrush, I'm gonna go back into the white because I want to make little cartoon kind of marks. Alright, that's it for the paint for now, but I'm gonna put on some eyelashes and I'm gonna make them white. So I want to take a pair of eyelashes and put some body paint on them. While I'm doing the shading, so that way they would dry. So let's see. I'm just gonna take a random pair of eyelashes. You can make them as full as you want. You don't have to do this step at all if you don't want to, but I just want some white eyelashes. So I'm just painting them white. Make sure to do both sides. That should be good. I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to do the other one and start the shading. So I will be right back. Alright, for the shading, I'm just using a black eyeshadow. So I have my eyelashes drying to the side. I'm just dipping into a black eyeshadow that I have in one of my palettes. I am going to tap out the excess because I don't want it to appear too dark. We're looking for more of a grayish, like a dark grayish tone, not like spot on black. So I am tapping off the excess on my hand after I dip in, and I'm just going to start to line the outside of the mask. And once I got the line down, I'm going to swipe this way. just creating like a shadow, like it's lifting off of your face. And I'm going to do the same thing around this area as well. I'm not going to do the entire thing. I'm going to do around here as well. I'm going to outline around the eyes, the mouth, and the nose. So same exact thing. Tap into the black, dip off on your hand, paper towel, whatever you have. And I'm going to create like a border between the shadow and the black body paint. Like that. And then I'm going to blend it out a little bit. Okay, so I'm just taking a fluffy brush and just going around the shading areas and trying to blend it out some more. I want to tap some black on my lips. I feel like they look shiny because of the liquid lipstick. So I'm trying to conceal them some more. Yeah, that looks better. And that looks way better. And do the same thing for my eyelids. That should be good. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my eyelashes. They should be dry. Yeah, they're dry. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the lashes on. I'm going to go ahead and take some body paint because I want to clean up the little shine marks that I did on the eyes. Alright, I did go ahead, my camera was overheating, so what I did was I went back in with a smaller brush, I'm just going to show you guys right now, smaller brush for my white body paint, and I went around in between the black detailing and the shadow to make that white pop out, to make it look like it's a little more three-dimensional. So I just wet the brush, and then I literally just went over the area like this. And that's it, guys. The look is done. I'm not going to go ahead and paint the sides how Ghostface mask really is because he got that cloth on the side. I don't want that. I just want the straight up full-on white part of the mask. I'm going to have my hood on and I'm just going to pop on some earrings. You don't have to put on earrings if you don't want to, but I want earrings because I got my eyelashes. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my earrings. It will help if I put my earrings on the right way. And my hood. Alright, so I went ahead and put on a scarf, dim the lights, and I just put my hood over it because my hood wasn't coming up as far front as I wanted. But this is what it looks like. I love it. I like the way it came out. It came out super cute. I actually sketched it last night before I put it on my face. It's a very cute ghost face. But I hope you guys liked it too. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, please. I would love for you guys to be a part of the Makeup Love Life 85 family. As always, thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate it, and I'm looking forward to doing more Halloween videos for you guys.